Hello everybody, and this is my Mario Connects track. You can see there's the fireballs. There's lots of stuff. Goes, turns, my creeper cape. And there's fireballs there, and that's the starting line. But it goes from here. Okay, so we are going to do Luigi pretty fast. Way fast. Wait, what the heck? Oh, what the heck? He's dead. Oh wait, no he's not. So he goes pretty fast. And Yoshi goes faster. Whoa. He's pretty slow because I left him on. Yoshi should be the best. Bowser, pretty slow. Really slow. Yoshi, really fast. Look how fast he's going. He's not even stopping. He wants to win this race. And then I'm like spinning it. I just hit him. Okay. So he's right there. Oh, I missed him. Okay. So here he is. Okay. He's coming. I hit him. This is like the 5th, I think it's like the 10th lap. Or is it the 9th? I guess. You can see right there. If you think this is on the top, guys, it's on the bottom. You may think it's... I almost missed them, but I didn't. Oh, I hit him bad. I hit the iPad. This is pretty much that's all I do all year. I set it up today. And took pretty fast moments, and tomorrow we're going to set it up. I guess we'll set up with Whomps later, because that's all I have to do last. It's going pretty slow. Let's start Mario. Mario's going faster than Yoshi. Oh. There they go. The fireballs are done. Fireballs are out of energy. There they go. All around. Now we load up Stone Bowser. But they're stuck. Now, for the ultimate touch. Stone Bowser. Oh, get it. Okay. You gotta aim it on the mark. On the mark. Get ready. Set. Go. Fire. Oh, I hit Mario. Okay, where's it? Oh, here it is. Okay. He's pretty scary. That other fireball is right in there. Let me see. Oh, I missed. Okay. Now we're going back to the fireballs. Oh, yeah, I hit them bad. Oh! Okay, so Yoshi is off the track. We should have Mario on there, all by himself. Okay. So here it goes. Hold on. Let's shut this off. Okay. There he goes. There he goes. He went flying, okay? Okay. Okay, he's pretty cool. Like, the only reason I hate this is because it didn't come with the other tracks. It was like only 120 pieces. Oh wait, how much does it say? I think it says 122 pieces. So there we go. Well, thanks for watching, everybody. Please subscribe. He's stopping. He's out of energy. Bye-bye. Wait. He's out of energy. Bye-bye. Please subscribe.